15.5 HP. You know what that is? Horsepower.
Hey everybody, the guys from Quorum here.
What up?
Today we have an epic video planned. Actually, not really, it's kind of a dumb idea, but we're gonna do it.
You won't believe it.
Lawnmower Olympics. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Woo!
Okay, so we are here for the first event of the lawnmower challenges. First up, we've got the cone set right here. You're going to start your mower here, climb up the hill, around the tree, down the hill, cross the silver bridge of death, and once you've done that, you'll loop back around and finish right where you started. Whoever finishes with the best times will get the best seating in the race in the next event. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Garrett has elected to go first. We've got the GoPro on him for the Ultra GoPro perspective.
This is what I call full send.
And wait, why do you have those goggles on your head?
Well, because you gotta understand, when you're at my level, the speeds you acquire, it's just too much for your eyes. I'm really trying to get off them, but just till my eyes adjust, I gotta wear these.
Gotcha,
so.
gotcha.
Next video,
the speed is so intense.
Yeah, it's bad.
Okay, James has got the time. Garrett's going to make his way to the starting point, and we are going to kick this thing off. All right, we're ready for you, Garrett. Oh, what a sweet sound. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go for it. And he's off. He's going to come around the tree. Full send all the way down. Next up is the steel bridge. He splits the two lawnmowers, and he's looking to finish here. Almost stalled it out. Go, go, you gotta cross. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. 40.78 is Garrett's time, and he's still struggling to park that thing. What a run from Garrett Bywater. So James, what are we feeling right now before we start this first event?
I'm thinking I'm gonna do 32.
Okay.
32.4.
Let's see if you can nail it on the head. James is ready to rumble. Oh! Garrett, you got the time. Ready? Go for it. And we're off. Secretariat has opened the cut. Oh, look at him taking the hill sharply, cutting the corner. He is cruising. You suck! James is just moving so quickly down the hill. Here he goes into the bridge, the sketchiest part. No! We don't want any grumpy parents. Oh my gosh.
He's going!
He's cruising. Oh. He's got to finish, he's got to pull through. Bang, right there. Time-wise, what do you think we had?
I stopped it at the wrong time.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Cool.
But I saw 30.6.
30.6.
That's
Garrett,
decent.
he just whipped you by 10 seconds.
I care. No, I have a Craftsman.
Okay, okay.
Just wait till we get to the final race.
Okay,
I'll
okay.
see you there, James.
Sounds good. What a run.
Okay, so what's up with that cowboy hat? It's kind of weird.
Yeah, you know, normally when I mow lawns, I bust out the cowboy hat. You know, it really helps protect the face from the sun.
So just so we know,
just for good luck.
how much experience do you have mowing lawns?
I would say at least 7 years, if not more. You know.
Do you
I've been
believe?
doing on the NASCAR circuit for a while as well, so
Okay.
I'm feeling pretty confident right
That's
now.
decent. Yeah. So do you figure your lawn mowing skills will transfer over to this race?
Definitely, without a doubt. You know.
And
I'm just hoping that old Bessie can keep up, but
all right.
it should be good.
Oh, Bessie.
Oh yeah. Here we
Looks
go.
kind of weird. All right, whatever. Fire her up. See what you got. Is he gonna do it? No one knows.
Oh yeah.
Send it. Slow start, slow start. The hill really killed his time. When he comes down over the fast hill, he fires out, Full stand over the bridge. Okay. Oh! He's patting her. Donuts, I don't think you can say that.
You know, I beat Garrett. That's all that matters, you know? That's good. I'm good with that.
Why you guys are jerks.
All right. It's all out of love, Garrett.
All right.
Okay. So after the first round, looks like James will get first pick for seeding, Wyatt second, and Garrett third. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. No, we're good. Let's go. And we are getting all lined up and ready to go for the race. And let's just explain to you how this is going to work. We have a nice big roundabout through here. The two cones marking the finish and start line. We're going to go 2 laps because 3 is boring and everybody does them. And first one to finish is the winner, which is how most races work. Shocking. So here we go. Go! What a race! No, I did fail to mention that I did not say you had to stay on the track, so I made the little quarter cut. Garrett, I must ask you, you've gotten last both times.
I'm sorry you guys are cheaters. What do you want me to say? Look at this, 1 point. I'm 15.
Ooh.
15.5 HP. You know what that is? Horsepower.
I only got 14 and I still do.
Wow.
That means horsepower. It's all about heart.
That means I'm a better driver. That means I've got more heart.
Crap, you're right. At least I don't cheat.
Hey, I did not say anything
Like
about
Wyatt.
staying on the track. Am I right?
Maybe I'm just stupid. That's my problem.
Don't beat yourself up.
Suck it, Lawnmower.
There's still one last event, and there's a chance to win it all with the last event.
That's me, baby.
So-
That's me.
What is James? Okay, so anyways, that's James' victory strut, and we're gonna move on to the final event. James takes first, I take second, and then Garrett.
Third is not last.
That's true.
I have
unless
the hairy
there's
chest.
3 people. Let's talk to you all about how this last event will go. Another time trial event. You're going to start here. You're going to make a big S curve around the bush, through the rock, and you're going to pop out over here. As you come down here from the right, somebody will be throwing a football from up top there. Okay, and then hopefully you'll catch it. If you catch it, minus 5 seconds from your original time. And then we have a little parallel parking cone set up here. If you hit a cone, it's minus 2. You gotta park the lawnmower, you run over here, you pick up the basketball, and give it a toss-a-roo into the old hoopo. And that's minus 10 seconds, so a lot at stake here in the final round. Can James keep his streak going of 3 first place finishes? Will Garrett take over the top? Will I be able to do anything? I don't know. And oh. That's pretty impressive there, James. All right, Garrett is up first. Here we go. Uh-oh. Yay! And Garrett is off. What a U-turn around that rock. He's getting ready for the football catch. No, Butterfingers! Here goes the parallel parking job. There's a cone hit, and there's 2 more cone hits. That's 3 cone hits. And a second reduction. Oh!
43. You're done. 43.02.
Let's get a close-up on that. 43.02, and I saw 3 cone hits. Yeah, unfortunately. So that would be +6. That would make the time 49. Not a good day. Garrett's a little grumpy right now.
Maybe if you'd give me good tosses.
Oh, that was right through your fingers.
Seriously, you think I can catch it in my hands? Jerk.
Hey, Garrett is not happy. Uncle Rico. Whoa! All right, I'll go next. Go, baby!
Oh, no, Dave.
Alright, that time, we get the time? 42.
That's worse than me!
Nice. You got 49.
But 42.
But does that a parallel park?
I think it counts.
Let's go scan for cones.
That's
It appears you've ran over 2 cones.
really.
Oh, 2 cones.
Oh, sure.
That's too bad. 6 seconds off your time.
Oh, wait.
Boo.
Oh, look, it hit 2.
Garrett moved those actually.
I
Yeah, he did. So I had 42 seconds, -5 with the football. 37 segundos.
Bro, I'm gonna give you the crappiest throw ever, James. Make up for what you did to me.
Garrett still looks a little bitter.
I'm done.
I just want to hear James's thoughts real quick. This is the last run of the last event. If you can beat 37 seconds,
I didn't even catch football.
you are the champion. What's going through your mind right now?
Well, I mean, if I don't, I still won 2 out of 3, so,
That's pretty good.
you know, but we're gonna sweep, like I
Okay.
said. So,
But you know, this is for the overall championship. This is the crowning event. This is what wins you the Lawnmower Olympics.
really,
Yeah, I made that up right now. I think.
Is this all on
you know what I think about that?
What?
Whoop-de-doo.
Oh! And with that said, James is going to go and race his mower. Here we go. Okay, James. And he's off. What a turn. Look at the pinpoint accuracy on that turn. He is cruising right now. He's coming in now for the football toss. Garrett is getting everything lined up to throw. He snags it. Coming into the parallel park. No. He did not hit a cone.
What's the ball?
The ball's over there. Oh.
39:42.
Here, hold on. There we go. 39:42 -5 with the football catch.
Was that after I actually shot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the delay?
Puts him at
With the
34
delay.
seconds with the delay. James has swept the competition 3 for 3. Oh my.
I'd like to first of all thank great grandmother Romney
Okay.
for her support in my. Sorry, too much. For supporting my lawnmower racing. And other than that, I'm just ready to go swim.
Nice, okay. All right, we're in the outro. Congratulations, James, for kicking Garrett and I's butts. I guess here's the only peach-colored cone we have. So, congratulations. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out more Quorum videos, click the links. They'll be floating around here somewhere. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to. That'd be nice.
It's worth it.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. See ya! James, what are you doing? James, what are you
in the competition?
Oh! Garrett, I don't think there's any possibility that either of us can outclass that man right now. I mean, his genius level is just through the roof. I mean, look at this.
I've officially.
Look at that.
I've given up.
He's hauling a broom, a push broom, behind his lawnmower.
He mows the grass.
He's cruising. Look at him, so happy.
Look at the broom.
He just looks so content right now.
Oh, it's just James that's never happy.
Man, throw the football at him. Oh!